Hydrocarbons are the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen, in which carbon atoms are bonded to other carbon atoms, and also with the hydrogen through covalent bonds. On the basis of types of covalent bonds between carbon atoms, they are of two types: saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Let's first discuss saturated hydrocarbons. The word saturate means fully filled. In saturated hydrocarbons, carbon atoms are bonded to maximum number of atoms, as carbon has a valency of 4. So in saturated hydrocarbons, carbon atoms are bonded to 4 other atoms. On the basis of these facts, we define saturated hydrocarbons as those whose carbon-carbon bonds are all single. Saturated hydrocarbons are also called alkanes. The simplest alkane is methane, in which there is one carbon attached with 4 hydrogens, and its molecular formula is CH4. The general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms present in structure. In methane, there is one carbon atom, so the value of N is 1. By putting the value of N as 1 in the general formula, we get the formula of methane, that is CH4. The second type of hydrocarbon is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturate means which is not fully filled. They are named unsaturated because in it carbon is not fully filled with atoms, rather attached with either 3 or just 2 other atoms, and are defined as hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon multiple bonds. Multiple bonds can be either double or triple bond. They are further classified as alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes are the unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond. The simplest alkene is ethene, in which there is 2 carbon atoms containing a double bond between them. The general formula for alkene is CnH2n, where N is the number of carbon atom. For ethene, N is equal to 2. Putting this value of N into the general formula, we get the formula for alkene as C2H4. Alkynes are the unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. The simplest alkyne is ethene, in which 2 carbons are bonded with a triple bond. The general formula for alkynes is CnH2n minus 2, where N being the number of carbon atoms. As ethene contains 2 carbon atoms, the value of N for ethine is 2. Putting the value of N into the general formula, the formula for ethine comes out to be C2H2. For more informative videos, like and subscribe to Chem Therapy.